Welcome back, Nail Queens. I love myself a good unboxing video, and I ordered this 25 Days of Christmas collection from Soul Dips back in November. So what better time to show you guys this unboxing and collection than right before Christmas? The first color I'm showing you today is called Christmas Vacation. It is one of my favorites in this collection. So it has ultra fine glitters and irregular shard-like shapes, but it also has really cute pieces like the Christmas tree you see here and these snowflakes. Candyland is so easy to work with, and the reason for that is because it is full of tiny colorful flakes. So this melts into your dip base bond. It's so easy to use. It's nice and subtle, absolutely beautiful, and I think everybody should get this one. Home Alone is the perfect winter dip powder. So it has a mix of tiny blue flakes and chunky glitter pieces and snowflake shapes. So you see that gorgeous big snowflake there? It's absolutely beautiful and perfect for your winter manis. Miracle on 34th Street is so beautiful and unique. It has a mix of tiny purple and pink flakes with pink and purple chunky glitters and different styles of snowflake shapes. So you're going to see here on the swatch in a second, you're going to see two different styles of snowflake. The upper one is your traditional snowflake and the lower one almost gives me like a floral vibe. So I really love how different and unique this color is. Elf is not your traditional dip powder. This one is a clear base and it has different colors of stars. You'll notice it has gold, silver, and green. This is perfect for layering if you want to layer it over a solid color or if you just want to manually place the glitters over by themselves. The Holiday is another great snowflake glitter. It's an ultra-fine pink glitter with iridescent glitters and pink and white snowflakes. I really love the line glitters that are featured in this combo, in this mix. I actually already wore this color because it's so beautiful. I love myself a good berry color, and A Christmas Carol is just that. It has some subtle shimmer to it, and it's a deep berry shade. Perfect for your Christmas manis if you're not going for the traditional bright red. A Christmas Story reminds me of all of the Christmas colors put together in just irregular shards. So this has irregular glitter shapes in silver and red and green, and it looks like it has some holographic in the silver as well. I love this color combo. If you're looking for a more subtle, not-in-your-face powder, How the Grinch Stole Christmas is just that. It is a green-based dip powder with red flakes. They're very fine. They don't pick up a red here on camera, but trust me, in person they are actually red. The Family Man is your perfect dark, deep, solid blue that's going to pair well with so many different colors. From golds to silvers to also other blues, you can count on this blue to be a reliable holiday color that you can also use in other seasons. The Polar Express is such a gorgeous chunky glitter blue that would pair great with the Family Man if you end up getting the both of them. They make a great combo, they're a great match. The Polar Express is very simple yet chunky, it's understated yet beautiful. You can't have Christmas dip powders without the Nightmare Before Christmas. This glitter is a black ultrafine base with pink and blue irregular glitter shapes. So if you're not into your traditional Christmas vibes, this is the glitter that you need to add to your collection. Claus is a perfect solid red for the holidays. It's nice and deep, but still very red tone. It doesn't lean too berry, and it's very pigmented. It's just such a gorgeous staple color. Jingle All the Way is the perfect Christmas glitter that everybody needs in their collection if they don't already have something like it. It has green and red glitters in different sizes, so you really get a nice little mixture here. There's not too much going on, so it's not super busy, not super in your face, but it would pair great with a red or a green. Deck the Halls has an array of different colors, from yellows to greens to reds to pinks to golds. Red and pink seem to be the prominent larger pieces here in this combo, and it's absolutely beautiful, and I feel like it can be used outside of the Christmas season. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, I did not mean to sing that in a little way, is a red base powder with red shimmer, and it really twinkles at you when you have it glossy. I know you can't really see it that well here, but trust me, it has a nice shimmer to it. Love Actually is the perfect jelly shimmer pink dip powder. So it has like what I feel like is like blue or silvery shimmer in it. It's absolutely beautiful, simple, understated, and I feel like the shimmer isn't picking up well here on camera, but it's absolutely beautiful in person. Christmas in Connecticut is kind of a chunky glitter combo. The chunky pieces aren't too large, and you can see it here, it has a nice clear base and gold base. It's absolutely beautiful. The gold is more of a bronze gold, and the chunkier glitters kind of twinkle at you, kind of like fireflies. This is another one of those colors that can be used outside of the holiday season. A Charlie Brown Christmas is full of colors. It has more of your traditional red, greens, blues, very prominent in the blue colors, and it even has some yellow there. It's very beautiful, very colorful. If you're looking for the perfect gold, look no further because It's a Wonderful Life is a mix of different size gold glitters. They all seem to be about the same color, same tone of gold, and it's absolutely stunning, and it really just gives you that bling factor. Scrooged has to be one of my favorites from this collection. It is a black base with beautiful gold and silver glitters and shapes. So you're going to notice there's some star shapes in there in gold and silver, and also your hexagon chunkies in different sizes. This is perfect for New Year's. If you ever wondered what a bad Santa looks like, apparently he comes in red and a yellow gold. So this is a mix of ultra fine red with irregular gold and red glitters. So you're really getting those irregular shard mixes in this. I really love it. White Christmas is not a white dip powder, so this has a mix of glitters with red, pink, green, gold, and blue in colors, and I love it. This definitely has to be one of my favorites from this entire collection. Frosty the Snowman is such an understated color. It's a blue shimmer base, and it has chameleon flakes, so you can kind of see them twinkling at you when I move the jar around, even here on the swatch stick. It's just nice, soft, a perfect wintry blue to pair with some snowflakes. The Santa Claus is a traditional green base dip powder with different colors of foil flakes in it, so you're going to notice some gold, some red, and a darker green foil, and it makes for a really nice like combo all mixed up together. I really love this color. And to finish off this entire collection, we have the Nutcracker. It has a gold and green glitter base, so it's very subtle, hard to see unless you're really looking at it, with gold, pink, and red chunkier glitter pieces. It's really beautiful, and I feel like this can be used outside of this season. So that is it for this unboxing, swatch, and review of the Soul Dip 25 Days of Christmas collection. Let me know in the comments which of these 25 colors, it's actually 26, are your favorites, and actually I'll have everything linked and listed below. These are still available. You can still shop for every single one of these.